Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye look using two different palettes. We are going to be comparing the Bad Habit Aphrodite palette to the actual real thing, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. They're both amazing. Can you tell which eye is which? Because one is the Huda Beauty, one is the Aphrodite. Which one is it? And we're also going to be reviewing their liquid lip that they sent me for free, and also this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation I used, and I'll review that as well since I did order that from Hush. I'm sorry if my voice sounds awful. I'm losing my voice again. And yeah, so I'm going to try and make it through this video without losing my whole entire voice. Another thing, I'm going to shout out Nicole Stiles. She is absolutely amazing. She's also doing a review on Hush makeup products on her channel, the brand new ones that came out. Oh my god. The brand new ones that resemble the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palettes. She's in a review those Hush palettes for you because they just now came out with those. She's super pretty. I really like her videos. You guys will really enjoy her channel as well. She's so nice, and she creates some amazing looks. She is so super pretty, and yeah, I think you guys should go check her out. And if you want to see the look that she created with her Hush palettes, I will leave that video in the description box, and her channel as well, and her Instagram. Also, if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, please make sure to go enter my giveaway. I will also leave those details in the description box down below. There's still like 3 more days left, I believe. So yeah, if you haven't entered that yet, please go ahead and do that. And if you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let's just go ahead and start comparing some Hush products. Okay, so we're gonna do the eyeshadow first because I don't know if there's gonna be like a lot of fallout. So it came in this little box, and I already opened it, sorry. But this is the packaging. It's the Aphrodite Bad Habit 18 color eyeshadow palette. And then this is obviously not a Hush like product, but I got the Milani foundation we're gonna try out. And then this is from Hush, the Clean Color Madly Matte Lip Gloss, which should be interesting, but they sent me a really pretty color. This was like free for my order, so yeah. I have holes in my mouth. Just if you're wondering, I'm trying to save my voice for this video. I will open this up for you. I have not swatched this yet, so I'm really excited to try this out. It's really nice. This is what it is. Has a nice little mirror in it, which is really nice. So here's 5 colors. That looks really nice. Wow. And they don't feel chalky at all. Like, sometimes with these shadow palettes, the dupe fake ones, you never know how they're actually going to feel, you know? And normally the colors are not very pigmented, but this is very pigmented. And this was $12, I believe. So, yeah. I'm going to try and create a look on one eye with the Desert Dusk, and then one eye with the Aphrodite palette. So, since I didn't get the exact same shade, there's only a couple shades that are going to work. But I think it'll work good enough for the point of this video. Let me prime my eyes really fast. We're going to do my left eye as Aphrodite and my right eye as Huda Beauty. So I'm going to set my eye with Koi in the Aphrodite. It is very powdery, so just beware. And I'm going to set my eye on my right side with Desert Sand, which is from the Huda Beauty. We're going to have 2 different brushes. These 2 brushes look very similar, so this side will be for Aphrodite. we're going to take Romance right here. And we're going to fluff that in above the crease. This is a really fluffy like brush. It's not dense whatsoever. The color payoff is really nice. Now we're going to be going into Amber, which is another orangey red tone shade right here. Sorry, I don't know how to like do this without getting into the eyeshadow. And we're going to do the same thing, just with a different blending brush real quick. Honestly, this one, it feels like you have to build it up a little bit more. I'm not even shaking off my brush as much. So we pretty much got the same color going on. I think aside the color, like, correctness, I guess, like, it looks more like the shade in the box, if that makes any sense. Like this side, a tad bit more pigmented once you build it up. So I'm going to try to build it up on the Aphrodite side really quick. And it can just be that this one is not quite the same color. Like, it's slightly different. Obviously, they're not going to be quite the same, but you can't really tell a difference in, you know, as far as the product's going on, really nice. So now, let's just do the same brushes, honestly. So now I'm going to be going in with Saffron, which is this red shade. And we're just going to put that straight in the crease. Okay. So now, in the Aphrodite palette, I'm going to be going into the shade Lust right here. And we're going to put it in the same place, just on my left eye. Color is still about the same. I'm trying to decide. I'm going to keep trying to get these looking the same as possible. I want to test out these shimmers for you. We're going to, sorry, let me cut my crease. I'm just going to put some concealer. Blood Moon from Huda Beauty. Let's put that in the crease. Or in the, on the lid, sorry. It'll be a nice maroony look. Okay, so there's Huda Beauty's side. Now we're going to be taking Beauty on the Aphrodite. And I'm just going to take the other side of this brush that I haven't used yet. And we're going to spritz it. When I swatch these, this is what it looks like. And then this is what's on my eye. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, so it does help. Let me try and put it on with my finger, even though I never do this. I don't like it. I'm going to try to make it work with a brush because I really don't want to work with my fingers right now. So this side just took a little bit more building up, but we did get there. I'm going to go back in with this brush and blend. Overall, you really can't tell a difference, guys. I think I can do one more shade to deepen it up. I'm going to go in to Seduction, which is this brownie red tone. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner. This is from the Aphrodite palette. Just to deepen it up. I just feel like it's missing something, but I'm trying to like stick to the, you know, the whole point of this video is to show you the difference. So I don't want to like go into one palette over the other, you know. Let me take this brush in Oud, which I've used a lot of these Huda Beauty shades before, but we're using them again. We're going to just put this in the outer V. And it's literally the same thing. I'm going to clean this up, and then as I know this eye is like getting a little bit high up on my brow. But overall, like, I really can't see a difference. Like, I think the colors are great. I think it's working out really well. Honestly, if I had to tell you, this side, the Huda Beauty side, has more fallout than this side too. So let me go clean this fallout up, and then we're going to try out the Milani foundation. So I kind of cleaned it up. It still needs some more cleaning up, but that's okay. So I'm going to prime my face with my normal Rimmel Stay Matte and e.l.f. Hydrating Primer too as well. Now let's try out this Milani Concealing Perfect. I am so excited. This claims to be a foundation and concealer. And it says medium full coverage, lightweight, oil-free, long-wearing, water-resistant, and sweat-proof. This is an 04 medium beige. It is thicker, which is completely fine. It is a little dark on me, but just bear with me. I think overall, it covers up really nice. Obviously, I wouldn't use this and just say, oh, I don't need concealer. I still think that concealer will help cover those problem areas. It is pretty full coverage. So yeah, I don't have anything to complain about. I think it went on really nicely. It kind of reminds me of the Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I love that foundation, so maybe that'll help you out. But now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish the rest of my face makeup off camera since I don't have anything to show you. And we'll come back and do the lower lash line and do this lippy that I need to show you. So I went ahead, finished my face makeup, and I did my eyebrows too because obviously nothing new there. So now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I can't decide which shade I want to use. You know what, never mind. I don't even care. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like anyways. I'm just going to do this Aphrodite shade, the pink Flirt, on the bottom on both eyes because frick it. I don't care. It's really pretty. It's called Flirt. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm just going to go ahead and use it on the Huda Beauty side, even though I'm kind of breaking the rules, but oh well. I think this specific palette resembles like the exact Huda Beauty rose gold palette. I could be totally wrong, but I wanted to get one that is similar but also a little bit different, just to have a little bit of a different, you know, shade range. Red pigment, blend it out really well. We're also going to use a shade from, let's use the Aphrodite palette. Since we don't have like the same gold shade, we're just going to take it on both eyes once more. Just because, why not? I want to see what they look like. I want to take this Sparks shade up here, and we're going to just put those in the inner corner. It's kind of a yellowy gold, but it's still really pretty. And now let's test out this lipstick. This liquid, actually it's a liquid gloss. Or a liquid gloss, what the heck? It is a matte gloss. And it's a very pretty pink. So let's just see what it looks like. It smells interesting. And it looks like it's very thin. So let's see how this goes. So it didn't get on my teeth, which is good, considering I have that problem sometimes with thinner liquid lips. It is really pretty. I like it. I like it. And I just realized I literally forgot to do my eyeliner and my eyelashes. So 1 second, I'll be right back to give you the final review of everything. This is the completed look. This did dry down. It is a little bit sticky. I mean, I don't really know why they call it a matte gloss. The point of lip gloss is the shine, though, but I can't really complain. It's not really transfer proof. It's probably going to come off, so I would probably prefer my Anastasia liquid lips over this, but this was free, so I will use it. It's a really pretty color. I really like it. This Milani, I know this isn't like an actual Hush palette, or an actual Hush product, but I did order this off of there. I really like this. I love the shade I got, and I think it went on really smooth. Like I said, feels like Estee Lauder Double Wear to me. And finally, the Aphrodite palette. I think if you guys cannot afford the Desert Dust palette that is $65, I think this is absolutely great. I think the pigment is there. It blends out really easily, and you know, looking, can you really tell a difference from what shade is which? Now, I think they should come out with some palettes that they come up with on their own, like as far as colors they choose and all that stuff, so they don't get labeled as like that knockoff brand. But their quality is there, and I think they have the potential to be, like, make some really good products on their own without making dupes. But like I said, you know, I really love the Huda Beauty still. They kill it with their products, but like I said, if you can't afford it, this is a great way to go. $12. And yeah, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will leave those details in the description box, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.